Okay, so today we're going to be quickly talking about how easy it is to replace the ceramic burrs. This is the Rhino Hand Grinder Tall. We also have the Rhino Hand Grinder Compact. The difference being that this one fits 50 grams of coffee and the compact fits 25. Another difference is that the compact comes with a AeroPress adapter that allows you to grind directly into the AeroPress instead of the chamber. The Tall also has this silicone grip included, the compact doesn't. Okay, so to quickly and easily demonstrate how fast it is to replace these burrs, we're going to take the crank and the container off, and we're going to spin the clicker all the way coarse until it pops out completely. Now this should be part of your maintenance or your cleaning, so throughout use you have coffee grinds getting stuck, you have lots of oils released from the coffee beans, and just with a brush, super easy. Now the inner burr very easily slides out along with the clicker. There is two sides to this. You want to make sure that the flush side is pointing outwards while the side with the little nooks face the inside of the burr, hence allows you to make that clicking feeling. Now to remove the spring and the inner burr, the outer burr set, all we have to do is just flip it over. Or maybe pull it out a bit. There we go. Super easy. If you have any damaged burrs, if you've ground through something that you shouldn't have and you need to replace the burrs, we have the burrs. To quickly replace them, you want to first put your spring in. Now this has a larger side and that goes in first. You want to push it past this little part here. Then we've got the outer burrs. So we want to have the larger size facing towards the beans. If you think about it, it grinds out into a finer consistency. Then there's no right or wrong way for these. You can go that way or you can go that way. You push the inner burr set until they're touching and gently hold it while you screw in. Now I've got that the wrong way, so I'm just going to quickly screw it in like that. And when you screw it in, it will push those burrs until they're touching, and that's it. Super easy to adjust and to replace the burr set, and this is the exact same for the compact grinder. Thank you so much for watching. If you need any more help on how to replace the burr set, feel free to send us a message or comment in the description below. We've got all of our links and information linked in the description. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.